Welcome to the channel. I'm glad you are here today. In this video, we will talk about how you can manage your privacy on VK by choosing who can view your saved photos album. This is very useful. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. After opening Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Now, find the option called Who Can View the Saved Photos album. When you tap on it, you will see 5 choices. These include All Users, Friends of Friends, All Friends, Only Me, and Certain Friends. Finally, choose the option that best fits your needs. Once you select it, your setting will be updated instantly. This means your saved photos will only be visible to the group of people you allowed. By following these steps, you can easily decide who can view your content and keep your account secure. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.